Eight incredible benefits and uses of bay leaves. Burn them and the results will amaze you. Besides adding a unique taste to any dish and being used in a number of cuisines, bay leaves can provide a number of health benefits and improve your health on every level. They possess anti-aging and detoxifying properties and can fight bacterial infections. They can treat almost everything, from respiratory problems to heart issues. Well, this is just a part of the many benefits they have. Keep reading and find out more about the incredible benefits of this aromatic, olive green plant. 8 health benefits and uses of bay leaves. 1. Respiratory system. Bay leaf can act as a stimulant for the nasal passages, thus help dislodge mucus and phlegm in the lungs. In order to treat respiratory issues like nasal congestion, headache, common cold, stiff nose, watery eyes, and cough, you should add 2 drops of bay oil, or some crushed dried leaves to steam inhalation. In the case of allergies or asthma, you should apply some bay leaf oil onto your chest and massage. 2. Fatigue and anxiety. When burned, bay leaves have a chemical content that creates a relaxing, psychedelic effect. You should light few dried bay leaves, and as you breathe in the vapors, you will notice how this will calm your mind. Moreover, this will not make you sleepy, but awake, and will eliminate your fatigue. 3. Diabetes. According to a Pakistan study, bay leaves are significantly useful for people with type 2 diabetes. By consuming only 3 grams of these leaves a day, you will be able to reduce your blood sugar levels. 4. Dandruff. To eliminate dandruff, you should mix 4 drops of bay oil with 2 drops of jojoba oil. Apply the mixture on your scalp and massage gently. Wrap your head with a towel and leave it to act for 15 to 30 minutes. You can also add a few drops of bay oil to your regular shampoo to eliminate your dandruff. 5. Heart health. Bay leaves contain a caffeic acid, an organic compound which can strengthen the walls of the heart capillaries. It can also remove bad cholesterol from the cardiovascular system. Just add bay leaves in your cooking. For example, you can use bay leaves to wrap a salmon. 6. Digestion. People from Mediterranean and Asian countries use bay leaves to increase the digestive fire which frees the metabolic functions from troubles. In order to obtain this, you should add them to your diet, or rub bay essential oil on your stomach after having a meal. This will improve the secretion of digestive enzymes, bile, and juices. 7. Urinary infections. Bay leaves can be used as a remedy for urinary infections. All you have to do is mix some milk with powdered bay leaves. This beverage will normalize blood circulation and reduce bad cholesterol. 8. Joint inflammation. According to a 2003 study, bay leaves have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties similar to those of morphine and other anti-inflammatory drugs. In order to relieve pain, you should rub bay leaf oil on your sore joints, or include bay leaves in your cooking. Well, now that you are familiar with all the health benefits they can provide, it is time to start using bay leaves. They can be added to your soups, veggie, or meat dish. Bay leaves as well as the bay essential oil are easily available and cheap,